Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this garment bag from S-Zone. This is super cute. I love the little pink color. Now this is a 2-in-1 garment bag because it actually can be just a duffel bag, or you can use it as a suit bag, which is really nice. So if you did have a nice professional suit that you wanted to carry and you're traveling, not get all wrinkled up, this would do all of that for you. And it expands out so long. Like this would hold a nice sized dress in here. So I'm gonna bring you in here and show you all of the cool features of this. The feeling of it is really nice. It's a nice nylon feel. So that way if you did spill something on it, or if you're at the airport and it is raining, this will just kind of repel off that water, keep all your stuff nice and dry. But it's got so many different pockets in here. I'm gonna show you all of them. So here this is up close. Just on the inside, before we get it all zipped up, I wanted to show you all of the pockets that it has. You've got your pocket here. This opens up right here to where you can easily get in, and you have a little hook. So whenever you are at the hotel or whatever, you can hang up your suit. Then you've got this nice big long zipper, opens it all up to then hold your suit, your dress, whatever you are packing with you. It goes all the way down, and you can easily zip that up. This side over here is just your pocket, which will eventually hold your shoes. So let's get this thing bundled back up so you can see it as a duffel bag. So they have these nice zippers right here on the sides that you pretty much just start rolling your zippers around and it rolls into the duffel bag. And there you have it. You now have this huge duffel bag. This is a great size because it fits in like an overhead bin of an airplane. So you can easily have it for that. It does condense down. So if you need it to kind of squish it a little bit, you can easily do that. It does also come with a little toiletry bag, which is a nice extra accessory. You wanted to carry some extra things in there. You've got a little handle on here, and you have the extra strap for your bag. So you have a lot of different ways you can carry this bag. You have this where you can actually open this part up and put it in here, carry it just like a little handbag, or you have an over the shoulder bag with this nice strap. You just hook this on here, tie this around. You've got a nice padded shoulder at the top, hook it on the other side. Then you have an area you can just pick it up and carry it over your shoulder, which I'll show you here in just a minute. That is completely adjustable. So depending on your height or how high you want it to have it, that part is fantastic. You do have a nice big opening here in the front if you wanted to hold things, candy, gum, whatever. You've got all that. Here is a nice area to put things such as your shoes. So these are size 11s women's, and you've got plenty of room in there. You can put so much stuff. Or if you wanted to put dirty clothes just to kind of keep it separate, you can easily put that inside of there. Then coming onto the back of the bag, you have this nice trolley part. So if you wanted to put this over the top of like a rolling suitcase, this will just slide over on there. And you have another little part if you want passports, license, things like that to store in there for quick access. And then your last zipper, you've got another opening that you can put things, you know, whether it's a water bottle in there because you've got this nice elastic strap, tie your keys on, you got a little clip here. So that is a really nice little thing here. Now this bag does open all the way up from the top, and you can just use it as a giant duffel bag. Put your toiletry bag in there filled with all your things, stick it in here with all your clothes. Or like I said, you can put a suit in there. This will hold you over for several days worth of stuff. I love the feel of the fabric. The zippers glide really nice. So now that we've got that all loaded up, you've got this nice strap if you wanted to carry it over your shoulder and walk it around like this. You can easily carry it around. You can also do just a crossbody style with it. Or like I said, carry it with these nice handles here. This makes a great way to be able to travel, have everything all in one place, and it's super cute.